Fountain, Mara, fountain. We are now here at the Cathedral of Los Angeles. Angels, hello. Kanya?
See this bronze floor?
May Guadalupe sila, oh, John. Bas-relief. Oh, tapos the hand of God. Virgin Mary. Oh, puro Virgin Mary na to. Yeah, on the other side. Look at that. There's a huge mural here of the Virgin. On the left side is Junipero Serra. The priest who established all the missions here. On the side of the side wall column, no? Near the altar to. Here's the Queen Jesus Christ. One of the columns. This is the Adoration Chapel, the Blessed Sacrament Chapel. Another side altar. Pope John Paul. Another side altar. Saint Viviana Chapel Mausoleum. The mausoleum. There, that's the chapel. Station of the Cross. It's the Holy Family. The altar. The painting on the wall. Ano to dyan? Andito? Masalim. Masalim. Oh, sinong anghel yan? Raphael. Rafael. Maganda siya kasi. Ayan ang mga nicho. Mga nicho. Ayan, no? 1939 to 2003. Beloved husband and father. Creative, humorous, determined, loving, honest, always learning. Itong isa from Luwai, Bohol. Another one. Catholic pala si Gregory Peck eh. April 5, 1916 to June 12. He died June 12. Independence Day. 2003. He died only a few weeks. He died only a few weeks, a week before Daddy, oh, June 12. A week before Daddy, and he was born a year older than Daddy. Gregory Tino, hindi pa namamatay. From San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. The heart you have touched will never lose the feeling of love. It is a nice stained glass.
Father ni Archbishop.
Sinong Archbishop? Hindi, kumuha ka lang ng mura-mura. Doon na lang sa elevator ang kunin mo dyan. Mura doon. The Agony in the Garden. Ayan si St. Peter. Tutulog sila. Hindi niya nababasa. Kailangan. Ayan ako. Lapit ko. Ito oh, si Francisco Mora. Yung mga Bishop of Monterey. Ayan. Most Reverend Francisco Mora. Yan ang
Archbishop of Los Angeles.
Los Angeles, oo. 15,000 yan. Yung ganyang kaliit. O, ngipin mo lang magkakasya dyan. Picture to, wala na akong Ano to? Video. O, ano ibig sabihin niya? Naka-reserve yan sa'yo?
Naka-reserve sa akin.
15,000. Ito dyan, kamamatay lang. 2007. Our Nano. Ano ibig sabihin ng Our Nano? DTNTMSC. Clotilde Aranyaga. Tanda na to, 1921 to 2. Hindi, dapat magpa-cremate ka na lang dyan, tapos ilagay mo yung yung abo mo doon.
Yun na nga.
Yan, that's the birth of Jesus. Saint Viviana. Mara. Mara. Hello. On the way to the parking, stained glass etchings, and there's the highway, the freeway. Ayan, papuntang Los Angeles, Alameda, Mission Road, and Broadway. Ayun ang opisina ni Iya. Yan ang opisina niya. Yan. Sa taas niyan, yung arkong yan. Diyan nag-o-office. Water District. Yan. Nandito kami sa papuntang parkingan ng Cathedral. Yung arko pala ang Union Station. That's the Union Station. Andyan lahat ang Amtrak at saka yung kanilang Metro Rail. Yan ang park. Dito sa Cathedral. Yan, park. Yan, meron pa silang parang sidewalk cafe. Yan ang mga bells. Yan, isang katutak na bells. Yun ang fountain. Where are the bells? of the cathedral.